Welcome to Deepa's Knits and Knots. Let's crochet these stunning granny square earrings today. Before we get into today's tutorial, if you enjoy beginner-friendly crochet videos and step-by-step tutorials like this, you can also explore our crochet kits on Amazon. Our kits include all the materials required to create a cute crochet project, including yarn, crochet hook, needle, stitch markers, glue, safety eyes, a reusable storage box, and a step-by-step video tutorial card. Our 2-in-1 animal pouch kits are just 299 Indian rupees. Our cat paw pouch kits are just 249 Indian rupees. Our flower pouch kits are just 241 Indian rupees. Our evil eye kits are just 149 Indian rupees. And our 12-color 6-ply yarn kit is just 275 Indian rupees. These gorgeous 3-in-1 tulip coasters are just 249 rupees. This cute tulip scrunchie kit is just 190 Indian rupees. Shop links are given in the description. Now let's get into the tutorial. For today's project, you'll need light blue and dark blue 4-ply yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, 2 earring hooks, 2 short chain connectors, and 2 star charms. Feel free to play with your favorite color combinations and choose any charms or hangings you'd like to personalize your earrings. Now that our materials are ready, let's get started. Take a light blue yarn, make a magic ring. Chain 5. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, and the remaining 2 chains create our gap. Now, work 1 double crochet into the ring, followed by chain 2. Again, make 1 double crochet and chain 2. Repeat this pattern, working 1 double crochet and chain 2, until you have a total of 8 double crochets separated by chain 2 spaces. Once all the stitches are complete, gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the center of the magic ring. Finally, join the round with a slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain 3. And just like that, round 1 is complete. Now cut the light blue yarn and attach the dark blue yarn. Start by making a slip stitch and chain 3. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. In the same space, work 2 more double crochets. Chain 2. And then 3 more double crochets. This completes our first corner stitch. Now move to the next space and work 3 double crochets. In the following space, work 3 double crochets. Chain 2. And 3 double crochets in the same space. This creates the second corner stitch. In the next space, work 3 double crochets. Continue repeating this pattern of corner stitch and 3 double crochets in the next stitch all the way around the square. Each corner stitch will have 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in the same space, while each side space will have 3 double crochets. Once you've completed all 4 corners, Join the round with a slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and pull it through to fasten off. At the back of the project, hide the remaining yarn in the stitches and cut the excess yarn. Now it's time to turn our granny square into a beautiful earring. Attach the earring hook to one corner of the granny square, just as shown. Next, create the hanging section by connecting 2 rings and attaching the star charm to the end of the chain. Finally, attach them to the bottom corner of the square. Once your first earring is complete, repeat the same steps to make the second earring. And that's it. Your beautiful beginner-friendly granny square earrings are now ready to wear or gift. From casual outings to festive celebrations, from workdays to date nights, these handmade granny square earrings are perfect for every occasion. Lightweight, stylish, and fully customizable, they're a fun way to add a handmade touch to any outfit. Don't forget to explore our kits on Amazon. Shop links are in the description. Support our channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing for more crochet tutorials.